If you notice that your orchid's leaves are turning yellow, there are a few common reasons why this might be happening. First, too much direct sunlight. Like any plant, orchids need light, but they do better with indirect sunlight. And they even do well with artificial light. If you have your orchid in a sunny spot, try moving it to an area that's not in the direct path of the sun. Next up, overwatering. One of the most common reasons for yellow leaves, overwatering can cause the roots to flood, cutting off access to air and possibly leading to root rot. Before watering your plant, test the soil with a finger and only water a small amount if it feels dry. The final reason we'll go over today is the natural decay of foliage. If the yellow leaves are near the bottom of your orchid stem, it might just be natural aging. Orchids prioritize nurturing new leaves, and older ones eventually wither and fall off on their own.